mistake. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through how to set up TRM Tunnel VPN in all countries, all networks, all devices for a fast, secure and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to a friend. And in case you get any problem during the setup, reach us in the comment section. That is it. So first step, open Google Play Store. Now first step, subscribe. Second step, like. Then third step, open Google Play Store. And in your Google Play Store, you're going to search this application. It is TRM Tunnel VPN. Download. Then after downloading, install. After installing, open this application. Now once you install and then open this application, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, give it some few seconds to establish a secure connection. As you wait for it, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the tutorial. That is it. You're going to check OK, check later, and then if your application did initially update itself, first step, you're going to come in the top left corner where you see the three menu dashes. Check on them, choose the first option, which is update, and then by checking updates, you're going to see this message that no update available or update success. Now in the next step, you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then once you check auto select server, you're going to try to choose a server that is near to your country's location or that is your location, but we recommend you guys to keep in auto select server. Now in the last step, you're going to come where you see all countries, Wi-Fi and data. Now you're going to come check that, try to scroll down, look for your country's server, but I'm going to be showing you the fastest server in on this application. Now where we search from, either type in your country's name. You can also try to type in your country's network, but me, I will type in UDP, it being that many countries in this platform support UDP. Now choose that one, which is then after choosing UDP, you're going to come and then choose that one. Accept the connection request. Give it some few seconds to connect. Now, as you give it some few seconds to connect, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to a friend. In case you get any problem, the comment section is open. Now, it has connected successfully. Now, what if it fails to connect? You're going to try to restart your device. Turn airplane mode on and then off. You're going to try to clear the app data, clear cake, and then that is it. If you're in Uganda, you have done all. Maybe you skipped the tutorial. Try to rewatch the tutorial without skipping any important clips. You guys, I recommend you guys, if you're in Uganda, to come text us. We're going to activate your KYC at 20k. The numbers are in the bio, WhatsApp numbers. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maristic, and then I sign out.